Good morning, everybody. So I went on the coupons.com website. I print from Swagbucks because I get a point for every single coupon that I print. But I went on the website and I found that there are more coupons. I use two different browsers to print off my coupons, and the one other browser that I use had new ones. So here they are. They got the Pace Taco Complete. I'm just going to print that off because there may or may not be a deal. We got Crunchmaster, which I know there is a deal. I think there's a deal on Ibotta. I'm not sure, but I know there is one. Here we got 75 cents off of 2 Twix. Nivea in Shower, $2. There's another Crunchmaster. We got $4 off Persil. Here we got Pace Jar of Salsa. I have a feeling there's going to be a good deal coming up. But yeah, and then you got your Survey and the Dove. I feel like those keep resetting on me. I'm just going to see if there's any new stuff, but otherwise there's those new coupons to print if you guys are interested in that. And I'm still working on getting you guys a video of what printer I use. My computer, or my printer that they discontinued, so I'm trying to find one in ink that is very similar to mine, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that. But I'm just seeing what else they added so you guys can print your coupons too. And that seems about it. I'm not seeing anything new, but make sure you guys print those off, whatever you want. And I do think there's going to be a buy 5 get 5 at Pick and Save, so if you guys are interested in that, go for it. But just wanted to share with you guys, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.